The classrooms are dirty. Hakuna kitu mnafanya huku. Sweepers for Thursday. You are saying sweepers for Thursday. Luka. From 2 West. Hakuna kitu kingine. Kuchelewa tu. Okay, I will forward you to the deputy. Once I get you outside, movement is by running. Movement is by
running.
Once I get you outside, nitakumaliza. I'm the teacher on duty. So let's welcome our able deputy. Clap for the deputy, please. Well. Mr. Deputy.
Morning students.
Morning.
Yeah, hawa vijana nimewaona sana. Umesema form 2?
Form 2 West.
Form 2 West. They are very notorious, eh? I think we should do something upon them. Otherwise, as the teacher on duty has echoed, all we need is movement by running, concentration in class, and everything will move swiftly. I don't think I'm gonna match. It's that just one. Yeah, thank you. You can disperse.
Form 2 West. Packing.
No, but back. No, you head to class. I will deal with you. I myself, Teacher on duty, kazi zingine niache. I will deal with you. I'm the head of disciplinary in this school. You can go. I've marked you guys, Teacher on duty, you're doing much around. This is too much, You know you can. You need to do that. No. You're making me a fool. Unajua principal anaona ni kama sifanyi kazi. You're getting that. So kazi zingine niachie. Ama namna gani? Tunapatana. Yeah, don't overdo. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Sawa. Okay.
Hii attachment.